What's up, our home fans? John L. Brown here. It's time to make some cocktails. Okay, so basic cocktails. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a Manhattan today. Very simple ingredients. I've got my bourbon right here, and this is actually one of my favorites. And since I know how to make a Manhattan very well, I'll use some more expensive stuff. So this is MB Roland, really good. I've got my vermouth here, the Carpano Antica. I've got Angostura, and I've got some cherries. I've got an orange. That's all you need. Okay, here we go. So let's remember, Manhattan's classic cocktail. There's a lot of different variations when you look in a book as to what the right ratio is. This is the ratio from Death & Co. It's one of my Bibles. Got it right over here. It's right here, Death & Co. So this is the ratio that I use when I make a Manhattan. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to pour our booze and everything in our mixing glass. So we're going to take the bourbon. It's 2.5 ounces. So we use our jigger. There's 2. Little ring. There's a 1/2. Don't go overboard. You don't need 3. You don't need less. You want it a little boozy, but you want to taste that crisp, clean Manhattan fragrance, or flavor. And of course the fragrance that comes along with it. We're going to take our vermouth and pour that in. This is going to be 3/4 of an ounce. So a lot of recipes you'll see it as 2 ounces to 1 ounce of vermouth, or 2.5 ounces to 1 ounce of vermouth. I find that I like 3/4 of an ounce. Go back down. Need a little bit of Ango. So a couple little dips of that, whatever you want to call it, dips, sprigs, squirts, whatever. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to mix it. So I took my other mixing glass and now it's a mini ice bucket for me. Put 3 cubes in there. Because I'm so nice and clean, I'm using my tongs. Whoa! Hold on there, Mr. Ice Cube. There we go. Put the ice in there. Now we're going to stir. Stir about 30 to 45 seconds. We want to stir. Keep stirring that bad boy. Somebody out there timing me? I don't know. Maybe. But here's what I do. So that's probably about 30 seconds right there. So we'll set it down. Now what you're going to need is also an orange coin. So, or otherwise known as a strip of orange zest. Use your kitchen knife. Try not to get too much of the pith on the backside, but it really doesn't matter for this cocktail. But this is what you might see in one of the recipes as a coin. I have no idea why they call it that, but anyway. So cut your coin, maybe a little bit more of a stir right here. Put our bar spoon down, get our julep strainer. I'm going to pour it right into our cocktail glass. This is a 5 ounce coupe, and as you can see, that's perfect. I mean, that's what you want. You don't want an oversized 7 ounce or 9 ounce glass, martini glass. It's just a little ridiculous if you ask me. I mean, your drink is made to be enjoyed slowly. You don't want an 8 ounce, 9 ounce Manhattan that you just pound down and get you wasted. You want to enjoy this flavor. So now what we're going to do is we're going to express the orange over the cocktail. And this is what you do. Just express it like this, over there. Now do not put this in. Whatever you do not put the coin, your orange zest, your orange twist, your lemon twist, whatever twist you have, do not put it in a Manhattan. It does not have the orange as part of the garnish. Then we're going to take our cherries. I would recommend Luxardo. Very classic. Use our bar spoon here. And I happen to have a little cocktail. There you go. little cocktail toothpick right there. Put it on there. Put away our cherries. Take your glass. There we go. Smells good. I know this is going to taste good because I've made it so many times, and this is my preferred ratio, which is 2.5 of the bourbon to 3/4 of the vermouth. A couple squirts of the Ango for me, the cherry as a garnish, and then you use your coin, cut your coin, and then you just express the orange essence over the top. I'm going to enjoy this. Absolutely perfect. Perfect balance of vermouth to the bourbon. Works beautiful. Try it at home. If you have any other variations that you want to see or that you'd like to share, please do. At Bar Home, John L. Brown on Facebook. Please share. I love making cocktails. Call me, text me, message me. Let me help you out. Okay, Bar Home fans, I'm out. I'm going to drink this on the couch, watch a little boob tube.